Hello and welcome to this lecture, Dimension 7 Market Assess. It can be seen as a joint venture too, but I always mention it separately because it is very common nowadays for businesses to partner such that one business simply promotes the products and services of another business. For example, influencers who promote the products and services of firms in their niche. In most cases, nowadays, the influencers are themselves business owners and generate revenue from sponsorships, YouTube ads, coaching and training programs, and other related online income streams. If you are a business owner, you can definitely look at this option and collaborate with influencers for promoting your products or services. In this way, you can get in front of the audience which trusts them in your niche. Apart from influencers, you can also partner with local businesses which are not your direct competitors but are in your industry to give you access to their clients by promoting your products and services, and also you can do the same for them. It can result in a win-win situation. For example, if you are a florist in a small town and you want to deliver the fresh flowers on monthly basis to your clients, you can partner with a local organic food supplier who has their own vehicles and share revenue. Else, they can get in front of your customers who are on monthly subscription. You know already that their customers comprise of high income groups since organic products are costly and they love nature too. So they won't mind paying a few tens of Great British pounds or US dollars each month to make their drawing room smell awesome. You both can also cross promote your products and services. This can be done with vouchers, coupons, and referring your clients to one another. Here are some recent examples of joint ventures in my professional career. Number 1, my Udemy collaboration with Mr. John Coley, where I lacked the marketing knowledge on Udemy and he helped me with that. He facilitated my access to Udemy platform by helping me organize my first Udemy course. A real estate agent sourced a serviced accommodation property for my business. I saved my time in searching for the property and he made a commission as a result. He also manages the property and gets 15% in management fee, which makes investment totally hands off for me. In this way, I benefit because I can save my time and do other things which I like and in which I am interested. And he generates revenue for his firm also as a result. Assignment. Mention at least 3 ways in which you can partner with other businesses to make your business more efficient and will help you in enhancing your cash flow. If you are not a business owner, simply imagine yourself in the driving seat of a business in the industry of your choice and write them down. Thank you very much for your time, ladies and gentlemen, and see you in the next lecture.